Today we are diving into the mind-blowing capability of the latest Anthropic revelation, which is Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. This is really going to blow you off. Let's get started. Can it convert this very boring final report into interactive infographics? Oh my God! Can it create a visualization of an article simply by attaching a PDF file? Oh my God! Can it create a snake game simply by text prompt? Oh my God! The first application we want to test today, the first test use case we want to look at today is the visionary wizardry of Cloud 3 Sonnet. I've attached a document here about solar system, and I'm asking a cloud that they should create a visualization of how the solar system works based on the attached PDF. Make the other planets to move around, rotate around the sun in their orbit. So let's see what we have. It's already creating visualization using SVG visualization of the solar system. It's already creating the code at the background. All right, it's already creating the code at the background, and before we know it, it has interpreted what is in that document, and it is giving me a motion, a planetary motion of the planets around the sun. This is mind-blowing. Just wanted to be thinking about what you can create with this tool. This is just an example of what this tool can do. I've only given him a PDF file about the solar system. It has extracted all the information there, and it's able to give me this movement around the sun based on their different speed. You know, they have a different orbit. Can you imagine that level of intelligence and awareness? And I'm asking another question that I want you to name these planets. I don't know where is Mars, where is Pluto, where is Jupiter, where is Neptune. Can you add the names of the planets to their shape as they are moving around the sun? Let's see what we have. All right, so it's already looking at that, and it's telling me exactly it can do that. It's generating the code at the background, and before we know it now, we're going to see what exactly Cloud 3.5 Sonnet can do. Is naming those planets for me, and in a nutshell, we're going to see what we have. What do we have now? The planets are there, they are moving around the sun, and their names are there. This is really breathtaking. Just think about what you can do with this tool. This is just an example. There's so much more that you can do about this tool. Before we move too fast, there's a setting that you need to set. If you don't do that setting, you will not be able to do what I'm doing now. If you want to learn that setting, my advice for you is that you wait till the end of this video. And if peradventure you have not subscribed to this channel, this is the right time to do so. Let's move on. Second application we want to look at today is I have attached here, displayed here, a boring report for Q1 2024 for Tesla. So I want to look at this report, and I want to attach it. I've attached it to Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, and I'm going to ask the simple question: create an interactive 2-page infographic on the attached document. The prompt is as simple as that. So let's see what we have. The back-end code is being generated. Now we have in just 2 pages summary of Tesla Q1 2024 update. This is exquisite, and it's actually interactive, and it has, if you say you want it in 3 pages, 4 pages, it will have given us, but just 2 pages, the summary of this boring report has been turned into an infographic report in 2 pages, and you can interact with it. We have an outline, the key highlights, and the outlook, and this is the power of Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Is amazing, I tell you. Very, very amazing. This is a good tool for analysts. If you want to do this, it's going to take you a lot of time to get it done, but Sonnet 3.5 Cloud has done it within the twinkling of an eye. I tell you, this is a tool you need to add to what you're using to make you more productive. The third application is create a snake game using Python, and immediately it's already giving me the necessary background work in order for me to be able to create a game. All right, so I need to copy the code that I have there. I have to put it in a Python software because it's a standalone game that is creating for me. The game is not able to run on cloud, and before you know it, the game is already created, named Snake Game, and I'm playing it using my arrows to see what I can do. All right, you can see that the snake is getting longer, and immediately I hit the down button, it is off, which is actually the right thing to do. You can see that it's getting longer if you are hitting it. I want to try to do something to see if I want to hit myself, whether the game will also end. That is the right thing to do. All right, it has done that. It's done, it's gone. So you can have not seen a software. You don't need to be a coding engineer. You don't need to be a developer. All you just need to do is write simple prompt. All right, I'm going to try another prompt. I want to add a scoreboard. I want to add a scoreboard so that I'll be able to see my score as I'm playing that game. A very simple prompt, add a scoreboard. It's as simple as that. You don't need to learn any coding to be able to create a game. Just copy this, paste it, and it runs in the background, and before you know it, you have your scoreboard. You have your scoreboard, as easy as ABC. This is absolutely unbelievable. Now the trick. To be able to use Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, there's what we call artifact. That is the game changer, which allows visualization. So for you to be able to activate the artifact, you need to click the try it out. If you have not clicked the try it out, you will not be able to use it. So when you are on this page, you just need to come to this icon here and you put it on. It's presently off. Immediately you put it on, then you will be able to use some of these tools. You have visualization ability. You are able to attach from file, and immediately you see one experimental feature enabled. That is when you know that you are in for it. You can do so many things. You can generate Excel formula. You can do so much. You can visualize a lot of things. And of course, if you want to have access to more of these tools, you need to upgrade. Thank you very much.